Hey everybody, did you ever think about moving into the center of Lafayette and being close to everything that Lafayette has to offer, like pharmacies and doctor's offices, restaurants, and the best of what Lafayette has to offer? Hey everybody, this is Kirk Brown with eXp Realty. I'm at 112 Churchill Drive right here in Lafayette. I'm not too far off of Johnson Street right here. In fact, I can see Don's Seafood Hut from where I'm at. And so this is a perfect location. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,890 square feet, brand new listing. We're going to be open this Sunday from 1 to 4, so you can come by and see this home firsthand. Again, this is Captain Kirk, helping the Lafayette community find home. Hey everybody, did you ever think about moving into the center of Lafayette and being close to everything that Lafayette has to offer? Hey, this is Kirk Brown with eXp Realty. I'm at one of my brand new listings at 112 Churchill Drive, right here in Lafayette, not too far off of Johnson Road and off of Johnson Street, right across from Don's Seafood Hut. I'm close to the pharmacies, I'm close to doctor's offices, school systems, right here in the center of everything that Lafayette has to offer. So, this Sunday, you'll be able to see this home firsthand. And I'm only giving you a quick peek right here. But 112 Churchill Drive, I'll be here from Sunday 1 to 4 for you to view this beautiful home. So we'll have an open house this Sunday from 1 to 4. Again, this is Kirk Brown, Captain Kirk, doing work, helping the Lafayette community find home.